Withdrawing money from your Bank of America account to another bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete the transaction. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Bank of America online banking account by visiting the website or using the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfers option in the main menu. This section allows you to move money between your accounts or to external accounts. Step 3. Select Transfer Type. Choose the option to transfer money to external bank accounts. You may need to add the external account if it is not already linked. Follow the prompts to enter the required information, including the bank name, account number, and routing number. Step 4. Enter transfer amount. After selecting the external account, input the amount of money you wish to withdraw. Double-check the amount to ensure it is correct before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review all the details of your transfer, including the accounts involved and the amount. Once everything looks accurate, confirm the transaction and submit it. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer is in process. After completing these steps, your funds will be on their way to the designated bank account. Make sure to check both your Bank of America account and the receiving bank account for confirmation of the transfer.